In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Grok Imagine records. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your generated files in Grok and how to download the images or videos you need without any confusion. First, head over to Grok in your browser. Using a desktop makes this smoother because hovering actions are a bit easier with a mouse or trackpad. Once the site loads, look toward the bottom left of the interface for the profile icon. Give that a click. This opens the side panel tied to your account and workspace, which is where your content lives. From here, select Files. This is your central library for Imagine outputs, including images and videos you've generated or saved. You'll typically see a grid or list of thumbnails. If your library is busy, don't worry. We're going to narrow things down next so you can zero in on exactly what you need. At the top of the Files view, click Filter or Sort. Filters are great for slicing your library to just what matters right now. For example, you can focus on images if that's what you're exporting today, or switch to videos when you're gathering clips. Sorting helps you reorder the results. Most people like sorting by most recent to bring the latest work to the top, but alphabetical or size-based sorting can be handy if you already know the file name or you're hunting for a large render. With your results refined, choose the file you want. Hover your cursor over the image or video thumbnail to reveal the quick actions. You should see a download option appear either as a button or an icon. Click Download. The file will begin saving to your default downloads location. Images typically come down as formats like PNG or JPG, while videos usually save as MP4. Larger files may take a few extra seconds depending on your connection, so give it a moment if you see the progress indicator working. If your browser asks where to save, pick a folder you'll remember and consider naming the file clearly so it's easy to find later. That's the whole workflow. Go to Grok, open the profile panel, jump into Files, use Filter or Sort to isolate what you want, then hover over the thumbnail and click Download. If you're exporting multiple items, repeat the same hover and download action for each one. A quick tip before you wrap up: after download's complete, open one file to confirm it looks right and plays or displays as expected. Keeping a simple folder system on your computer for images and videos can save time the next time you export.